If you're trying to find dropshipping products that ship quickly, not in several weeks or a month, but within just a few days, there's a tool designed to make that process much easier. This tool helps you find products stored in warehouses located in North America or Europe, which means faster delivery for your customers. The interface is extremely user-friendly. For example, if you're looking for women's clothing, you can quickly filter and view only items coming from nearby warehouses. This saves you from spending hours scrolling through unsuitable products. It narrows down your choices to exactly what you need based on location and shipping speed. You can do the same for other product categories, such as jewelry or watches. With just one click, you can discover products that not only match your niche, but are also shipped within a few days, not weeks. This significantly improves the dropshipping experience for both sellers and customers by reducing delivery time and increasing satisfaction. This method is especially helpful for those who want to offer better delivery times than traditional suppliers shipping from overseas. It enables you to stay competitive in your market while offering a smoother customer experience. By using this approach, you can save valuable time and focus on growing your store rather than searching endlessly for the right products. It connects you with suitable inventory and makes fast shipping possible without unnecessary delays. Spocket helps you build your dropshipping store in just 5 minutes with AI. Access high-quality products with super fast shipping from premium US and EU suppliers. Start your free 14-day trial at YB.Digital/drop and revolutionize your e-commerce success today.